Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing the June BoxyCharm unboxing. So I've already got a couple of messages from you guys asking what I think or if I got into certain products. So today we will find out. So I'm gonna keep this intro short, sweet, and to the point. If you like videos like this, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And before we watch this video, don't forget to click that subscribe button and hit that post notification bell. But yeah, without further ado, let's see what I got in my BoxyCharm. Okay, so here she is. She's about average size, I would say. We shall open her up. Y'all, I got a pamphlet. I got a pamphlet! For the last couple of months, I've not gotten a pamphlet in my BoxyCharm, so I'm like, I don't even know how much this is. So, got a pamphlet. Thank you, BoxyCharm. This feels good. For those of you that are new, I live in Alabama, and it is so hot. If you're in the South, you know what I mean. Like hot, everywhere hot. This feels really good. Alrighty, so let's see what we got. Okay, so this is what I have been getting questions about. So I have gotten questions if this little lip liner in here will sharpen. So we're about to see because I haven't opened my BoxyCharm. This is my first time seeing it, so we're about to see. Okay, so this is Cab, I think that's right, Cab Cosmetics Lip Duo. I've never heard of them. But it says, Charming Lip Duo has everything you need to create the glossy lip you've always wanted. The vanilla scented duo is perfect for a night out on the town or a casual everyday look. Use a liner and gloss together or each on their own. And it retails for $40. Holy moly. This is the lip gloss. Look how fat it is. That's a big old lip gloss. And both the shades on these are charming. But this is the lip pencil. Okay, so this must be what everybody's talking about not being able to sharpen it. So, okay, it looks like this. It looks pretty, like, pinky. I don't know if I do it every day. Yeah, that's pretty pink. But I mean, we don't know until we try it on our lips. But I don't see, like, it doesn't twist or do anything. Or click or pull. Oh, wait. Okay, so that did just come off. I don't know if I just broke it or what. But that's definitely not a pencil sharpener. Okay, so I don't see where it would automatically sharpen or like roll up or anything. So when I get down to like the bare of it, like after I've used it that many times, I'll try to sharpen it with an eyeliner sharpener to see if it does sharpen. Because I mean, once it gets down there, you can't really use it anyway. So if it gets ruined by sharpening it and it can't be sharpened, oh well, you know, I've used all the product anyway. But if this is really all the product that you get, not at all okay. I'm just saying. It's $40 for the duo. I went and paid $20 just for a lip pencil if it didn't sharpen, so we shall see. Okay, and I think this is supposed to be like vanilla scented. It does smell like vanilla, and then this is the doe foot. Just like a normal little doe foot with your lip glosses. And then that's the shade right there. So that's the lip liner color, and then that's the lip gloss color. I mean, it's pretty colors, but would it be my everyday color? Probably not. But I don't know until I try it. So I'm going to try it in another video and see how it goes. Oh, so this is just gorgeous packaging, first of all. But it's called Philip Orange, and it's by Touch and Soul. And the packaging is so cute. Like, it's orange and it's glittery and it's just so summery looking. I love it. The colors, oh my goodness. This right here, glitter, is screaming my name. Like, I'm definitely gonna have to do an orange look soon, super soon. A bronzy orange look with like that all over the lid. Yes, please. Okay, but this is the Touch and Soul Philip Orange Eyeshadow Palette. It says, combine your love for strong color and glamorous glitter in the newest eyeshadow palette from the Touch and Soul. Get 9 different shades in matte and glitter textures, perfect for creating versatile looks. These eyeshadows are non-creasing and glide onto lids smoothly for easy application and long-lasting wear. And this retails for $32. I guess it would be pretty basic for an eyeshadow palette. I guess I gotta see how it really performs to see if I would pay $32 for just 9 eyeshadows. So we will test it out and see. Okay, and next, y'all, I'm probably saying this so wrong, so forgive me, is Pureless Perfect Glow BB Cream SPF 30. Oil-free, moisturizing, natural looking coverage. Matte meets glowy finish for all skin types, even sensitive. So this is just like a BB cream, and it's just supposed to even out your skin tones is what I'm getting from it. And it says some benefits is it improves skin complexion, softens and evens skin tone, hydrates the skin, helps reduce fine lines, wrinkles, dark spots, dullness, and other signs of aging, and prevents UVA and UVB damage. Okay, so on the pamphlet, it says complexion perfection. I like that, complexion perfection. For a gorgeous matte meets dewy finish. This multitasking beauty balm glides on like a tinted moisturizer with all the age-defying coverage, sunscreen, benefits of a foundation, and BB cream. And this retails for $35. So I did get the shade medium. It does have like the shade like right here on the back. I don't know, it might be a little too dark for me, I'm not sure, but we will definitely try it out. So in the back of the bottle it says Beauty Through Asian Wisdom, a multitasking beauty balm that is a foundation, antioxidant, moisturizer, and SPF 30 in one. Featuring our exclusive Asian herb extracts complex goji and hawthorn berry, brightens skin, while jasmine improves skin texture and retains moisture to create a gorgeous and glowing complexion. Alrighty, so sounds pretty promising, so we will definitely be trying this in a video, but it is just like a squeezy tube. I'm going to swatch it for you guys to see what color it is. Oh, it's thick. Like, that's the texture of it right here. See, it's not runny at all. It might be a little dark, but we might be able to work with it once it's on our face and we bronze and stuff. But like, it's right there. So it actually kind of blends with my skin. There it goes. There's a good description. A good picture of it. It smells like a normal moisturized lotion, foundation-ish product. So pretty excited to see that. Okay, and next, I don't know how to pronounce this either. I've never heard of it. Is it Dulce? Deuce? I don't know. Fierce and Fine and Graphic Pen. So this is a liquid eyeliner. I don't see a shade on it, so I don't guess there's multiple shades. Maybe it's just one shade. Yeah, because I don't see a shade on it. But it is a felt tip. It's pretty long, so that looks promising. It looks really weird. Like, I don't know if my camera will pick up on it, but it looks like one of them old-timey, like, feather fashion pens. Do you get what I'm saying? Like, you see it right there? I don't know if my camera will pick up on it. But let's see what it swatches. Oh, but it swatches. Okay, so I don't think that that was part of it because a clump of it just came off on my hand. Do y'all see that clump? Yeah. So, let me retract my statement that it does not look like an old-timey fashion pen. It was just a clump of something. But, a few strokes. I mean, it glides on pretty good. Like, that's it without the clumps on it. And then it does just look like a normal kind of felt tip. Okay. The pamphlet says, for this little guy, it says a deeply pigmented and waterproof graphic eyeliner that is easy and effortless to apply. The design of the felt tip applicator allows you to create either a thick or thin line depending on the amount of pressure used during application. And this retails for $21. Oh, and I just saw this too. There's a pamphlet that comes with this little foundation lotion thing. So that's pretty cool. I'll read a little bit more on this. Okay, so this is actually cruelty free, so that's pretty cool. Okay, last but not least is by Lily Lashes, and it's their XXX mascara. So I'm super excited to try this out because, I mean, they make eyelashes, so maybe their mascara is pretty darn good. I've heard good things about it, so we shall see. The tubing is really pretty. It's just slim and black, and it's kind of like matte right here, and then like the exits right there are kind of shiny. Super cute packaging. I like it a lot. And then Lily Lashes is like in gold right here. Okay, and then this is what the wand looks like. So it looks like it's going to give you a lot of volume. So I look forward to definitely trying this out because I love my mascaras. Okay, and this is just in the shade black. So I'm not 100% sure if it comes in different shades either. I've just heard that like, this is really good mascara. I don't know about like different shades or anything like that. So for this, it says an extra lengthening, extra volume, extra bold mascara with a tapered dual fiber wand that defines and coats each and every lash with an ultra black velvety smooth formula, and this retails for $24. So my box value was $152 this month, which is pretty good because you only paid $27 for it. So yeah, I would say this box is definitely worth the money this month, but are the products worth the money? We shall see in some upcoming videos, so definitely stay tuned for that. So that is all for this BoxyCharm unboxing for the June BoxyCharm box. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. That really does help me out. And also, before you guys leave, don't forget to click that subscribe button and hit that post notification bell so you are notified every time I do upload. But I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!